Welcome to another tutorial on MATLAB. In this tutorial, we will see the aspect of plant modeling and how to create a plant model, what is the meaning of a plant model, and in case of modeling, what we usually consider when we going to design a real system. So here you can see there is a vehicle which you can consider as a real system. This usually receives some inputs, which could be acceleration or it could be brake. So the percentage of brake and acceleration decides how much velocity the vehicle should have and how much acceleration the vehicle should have. It also depends on some parameters based on which the vehicle will generate some acceleration or velocity, which could be the vehicle wheel radius, which could be the coefficient of air drag. So when we consider the factors and the relationship between these and try to establish a coordination between the input and output, at that moment we need to take the help of mathematics. And at that moment, whatever the mathematical function that we create or whatever the mathematical model that we create, which established a relationship between input and output, is called a plant model. It will not represent the entire system behavior, but it will just represent the relationship between input and output based on the modeling aspect. So here in this case, you can create a plant model by considering all these factors. Here input could be the acceleration and brake as numerical format. Output could be velocity and acceleration also in the numerical format, and the coefficient of drag or coefficient of friction or the wheel radius could be tuned based on the actual system that we have. So that way we can mimic the behavior of this particular vehicle and then we consider it as the plant model. So this plant model now represents the behavior of the system that we have, and it will give the relationship between the input and the output. By analyzing this particular mathematical model, we can predict what will happen in this particular real scenario. The advantage of having a plant model is we can give any input here and we can generate whatever is the considerable output here. One situation could be, suppose you are accelerating at 100% and you need to know what is the velocity at 100% acceleration. Then that is very risky when you deal with the real system. But same 100% acceleration, if you apply to the plant model which you created for the vehicle, then you will be getting the velocity without any risk, and you will be able to validate the behavior or you will be able to predict the behavior of this particular system. So that is the advantage of having the plant model, that will give you a deeper insight into the system when you create the model appropriately. So this tutorial is all about that, how to create the plant model, how to give different inputs, and how to check the behavior with respect to the real system. We have received a good amount of likes and comments from your sides, and yeah, it is helping us to motivate and to make good content on this channel. So thank you for all of those things. We will try to make good content based on whatever the feedback that we receive. So please share your comment and thoughts so that we can improve your experience of learning MATLAB in this channel. So happy learning MATLAB and stay subscribed to us. Have a good day.